I started making my YouTube channel in September 2020. Because of the home quarantine, boredom strikes me most of the time, so I thought of creating a YouTube channel that shares some of my whimsical thoughts. My first video, My Life Before the Pandemic, was initially shared to my family and friends and has reached 389 views and counting. My goal is to spread good vibes through this channel and hopefully be able to share my talents. I am a shy person and usually hesitate to record myself or speak in front of a huge crowd. So doing a YouTube channel is out of my league. I am only outspoken to my family and friends because I know that I will not feel being rejected. But with this channel, I met new friends and found appreciation from people I do not know. The number of views for each video I upload is very encouraging. I said to myself, I just need one person to believe in me, and I got more. I am so happy that there are whimsical people out there. I now reached 100 whimsical subscribers to my channel. And as a promise to myself, I am celebrating this milestone and keeping my goals for my channel. I also miss doing art, drawing, painting, and crafts, so I plan to upload art making videos so I can push myself to create art. But I realized that I don't have enough art materials at home. So to celebrate having 100 whimsies and to create more works of art, I am buying materials here at National Bookstore Art Bar in Mall of Asia. I am looking for a small-sized, stretched, primed canvas. During my art school years, we used to stretch and prime our own canvas. The biggest canvas I made was 4 feet by 5 feet. I'm also buying acrylic paints. The acrylic paints are more expensive now than what I can remember. I am buying a set of 18 colors, and I will just buy a big tube of colors that I will need for my painting. I also need a set of nylon brushes. I'm just buying small size of round and flat brushes since my canvas is small. I can no longer find my brushes because it has been years since the last time I painted. I'm thinking of painting a portrait as a Christmas gift for my loved ones. Cheaper, but a more special gift. I hope that I can pay back the appreciation of all the whimsies who believed in me.
The lights in my head aren't shining no more. I don't know if I can do this anymore. If there is a sun, I will.
I'll show you what I bought. I bought two 12 by 16 inch Berkeley stretched and primed canvas. I also bought this Pebeo brand of acrylic paint, set of 18 colors. Also Pebeo brand, I purchased this 8 nylon brushes, 4 round brushes, and 4 flat brushes. And then these are the acrylic additional paints I bought from Berkeley. Burnt sienna, yellow ochre, cobalt blue, rose sienna, and titanium white. I hope that you can stay tuned for my upcoming videos of making art. Whimsies, thank you for the appreciation and thanks for watching.